This isn't a political ad, but it's shot like one. Hello, America. I'm Brendan with the Luxury Pergola, and I've heard from the American people, and they are tired. Tired of sunburn, tired of sun in their eyes. But the American people don't want another spineless awning or weak-kneed patio umbrella. You deserve better. Americans need change. Americans need the Luxury Pergola, a motorized patio roof, because you shouldn't be forced to choose between only sun or shade. It's the difference the American people need. America is sick of foreign outdoor shades flooding our ports and taking American jobs. They failed to deliver. They'll never be the true American-made pergola with hurricane-proof durability that our citizens deserve. American jobs, we've created them. American parts, we use them. American patios, we upgrade them. We're not another large, faceless corporation. We're a family-owned business right here in America's heartland. So we understand the patio needs of grassroots America. I'm counting on you to keep America shady. Does that sound bad? I feel like that sounds really bad. Visit theluxurypergola.com and let's make a change for the shadier. I'm Brendan with the Luxury Pergola, and I approve this message.